Hello, good morning. Let us understand today's topic is mode. Under stats, chapter is measure of center tendency and topic is mode. So in this video, I will express mode by grouping method or technique. So there are two techniques, grouping table and analysis table. So first of all, we have to make the grouping table. And this is the question which is given to you. Size is given and frequency is given. This is the question. मोड हमेशा साइज में से निकलता है, फ्रीक्वेंसी में से नहीं निकलता. सो हियर द क्वेश्चन राइजेस, हमें ग्रुपिंग टेबल क्यों यूज करना? क्योंकि हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 17, वी कैन राइट दैट मोड इज 10, बट नियरेस्ट वैल्यू इज 16 frequency and somewhere it is repeating. So nearest value is this, so we cannot say that this is the mode, because the adjoining value and the adjoining value here is powerful. So maybe mode is this, or maybe mode is this. So first of all, we have to draw a table. Neatly we have to draw the table. That table is column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These numbers should be in Roman numbers, so that there should be a difference. Next, write the formula. How to add the frequency? These are the frequency. Number 1 given. 1 plus 2 numeric number means adding first and second frequency. Group of 2. Group of 2. Group of 2. 2 plus 3. Group of second and third. Again second and third. Similarly, group of 1, 2, 3. Group of 2, 3, 4. Group of 3, 4, 5. What is 3, 4, 5? These are the frequency. Frequency on number 3, number 4, number 5. This is the beginning. Similarly, now we have to make the brackets. पहले हमने क्या करना है, इसमें से देखना the highest is 17. So make it circle. Then 1 plus 2, first and second, make bracket. These two. Then group of 2, group of 2, group of 2, group of 2, and group of 2. Now add it. 3 plus 8, 11. 10 plus 12, 22. 16 plus 14, 30. 10 plus 8, 18. 17 plus 5, 22. 5 plus 4, or 4 plus 1. अब इस पूरे कॉलम में the highest frequency is 30, make it circle. Then second and third frequency, first one leave it. So first one is the leave it. Now after first column, second column, we got the highest frequency. Now third column, frequency number 2 and 3. First one make it cross. This is second and this is third. Second and second, 8 plus 10, 18. Now 12 plus 16, 28. 14 plus 10, 24. 8 plus 17, 14 plus 10, 24. 8 plus 17, 25. 5 plus 4, 9. And this column is blank to make it cross, because there is no need. Now 1, 2, 3, add first 3 column. 3 plus 8 plus 10, 21. 12 plus 16 plus 14, 1, 2, 3, this is 42. 10 plus 8 plus 17, 35. 5 plus 4 plus 1, 10. अब इसमें से which one is the highest? Maximum frequency is 42. Similarly, second column से हमने start करना है. Second frequency से second, third, fourth. 10 plus 8, 18 plus 12, 30. 30 plus 10, this is 40. This is 30. And rest to are not in the group, so no need to add. Now 3, 4, 5. 1 and 2, 3. 10 plus 12 or 22 plus 16, 38. 14 plus 8, 22 plus 10, 32. 22 plus 4, 26. And out of these, this one is the highest. So this is the way to create grouping table. Now with the help of grouping table, we have to create analysis table. So whatever the size, you have to write here, and whatever the columns, you have to write over here. Now see, in the first column, highest frequency is 10, size is highest frequency is 16 and size is 10. So first column में this is the size may take. In the second column, highest frequency is 30. 30 came from size 6 and 7. So from second column 6 and 7. Third column, highest frequency. Here we did not mark it, and this is the highest frequency 28. So 28 came from 5 and 6 size. 28 came from 5 and 6 size. And in this 42 is the highest. It comprises these three sizes 5, 6, 7. It comprises three sizes 5, 6, 7. And under this column 40 is the highest. So 40 comprises 6, 7, 8 size. Column 5, 5 column. Size इसके सामने तीनों का total 6, 7, 8. So this 6, this one 7, this one 8. And last 38. 38 came from these three sizes 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. So students, this is the table. Now we have to add. यहाँ पर total कुछ नहीं है. Make it blank. Here 1 tick. Here 1, 2, 3, 3 ticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ticks. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 1 tick over here. Whatever is left, make it blank. So now we have to find the mode. Maximum number of ticks 5. 5 in place in front of 5. Size is 6. So mode is 6. So 6 is the mode, frequency is 16. So 17 is loosened. So this is the way to find mode. Maximum tick 5 in place of 5. Size is 6. In front of 5 is 6. So 6 is the mode value. So thank you very much. Thank you.